In raw edge applique, we use Weblon. It's a fusible product. It has a light fusible material on one side and nothing on the other side, and it's a non-woven interfacing type product, and it's dark. Why we use it is this represents applique on a background fabric, and if we take a lighter fabric and put it on top, say this would be a flower pot and this is a flower petal, you can see that the shadowing happens through the lighter fabric, the thinner, lighter fabric. And we don't want that because it changes the whole design. So when you add the Weblon between the fabric, you can see that there's no shadowing. You can't tell where the blue fabric is. Now I'm going to show you how we add the Weblon to the lighter fabric, and it'll be layered just like this. We'll have a fabric, then we'll put steam-a-seam, then we'll put the Weblon, and then we'll put more steam-a-seam. I'm going to show you the demo of how we do this. This will be the top fabric, then there's a layer of steam-a-seam, then the Weblon, and then another piece of steam-a-seam. So the first thing you do is take a steam-a-seam that has not been traced, and we're going to peel it off and stick it on the back of the fabric. Now if you have a bunch of tracings, then you just choose the fabric that's big enough for all your tracings to fit. So we put the steam-a-seam here, and then we'll hold this off to the side. This will be the side with the tracing. So let's just draw a heart. And with the Weblon, take the paper off the back of the steam-a-seam and place it on the Weblon. So now you have the fabric with steam-a-seam and no tracing, and the Weblon with steam-a-seam and your tracing that you're going to do. So now we're going to put these two together. So we're going to take the paper off the back of this and leave the steam-a-seam, and we're going to stick it onto, so we have the steam-a-seam and we're going to stick it onto the Weblon. So now you have your tracing on one side and your fabric on the other side, and between it is 2 layers of steam-a-seam and the Weblon. So now this is ready to cut out your applique design. And you take the paper off the back, the traced part, and now you can put it on your background fabric. And you won't have shadowing through the light fabric.